Friends, today's big news comes from the United States and China. Reports say that former US President Donald Trump held a meeting with Chinese leader Xi Jinping. The most important outcome of this meeting was that both sides signed a major cooperation agreement. Now the question is, what is this agreement about? Well, this deal is all about technology prosperity and the future of development. It clearly emphasizes that the United States and the United Kingdom will lead the future of technological progress, setting the direction for the world. This agreement covers several important areas, including artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, the digital economy, and green technology. So, it's not just about computers or the internet. It's about shaping the foundation of the future global technological landscape. During the signing, Trump said that this agreement is not only beneficial for the US and China, but also for the entire world. According to him, when major powers join hands, the benefits reach humanity as a whole. Xi Jinping also echoed this sentiment. He stated that when global powers collaborate in technology, innovation happens much faster, and humanity gains access to safer, smarter, and more advanced tools for the future. Both leaders also made it clear that this is only the beginning. More such agreements will follow in the near future to expand cooperation and push forward the boundaries of technology. Now friends, why is this such a significant step? Because in today's world, technology is power. The country that leads in technology will also have influence over global leadership. That's why the US, the UK, and China coming together in this way looks like the creation of a potential global tech alliance. This will not only bring economic benefits but also shift the balance of political power worldwide. So in simple terms, this meeting wasn't just a political event. It was more like a roadmap for the future. The United States and the United Kingdom are positioning themselves as leaders of the technological era, while China is stepping in as a strategic partner. If this cooperation moves forward in the right direction, the whole world stands to benefit from new innovations and developments. To sum it up, the Trump-Xi Jinping meeting ended with a powerful message, that global cooperation in technology is the key to prosperity, and that these nations want to play the leading role in shaping the future.